In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Grammarly on Microsoft Word. So if you want to use the Grammarly on Word, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply install the Grammarly on your laptop or desktop. For that, click on the search bar and type in app.grammarly.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Grammarly. If you haven't downloaded the Grammarly, you'll be able to find the option for get the app over here. What you have to do is click on it, or you can also click on this option apps that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you can do is simply select this option for Grammarly for Windows and click on the option install. Now after you do that, the exe file will be installed. What you have to do is open it and Grammarly will be installed. Now after you do that, you can go ahead and open the Grammarly. Go ahead and set it up. Now you'll be able to directly use the Grammarly in Microsoft Word. Simply open the Microsoft Word on your device. Now after that, you should be able to see the sidebar of Grammarly over here, and you should be able to use the Grammarly on Microsoft Word. So that is how you use Grammarly on Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.